All right, guys, check this one out. You're looking at a custom fitted teeth grill set. This one here is 925 solid sterling silver with the diamond dust finish. Okay, and it is a 6 top and 6 bottom teeth. These are available in really any combination that you want, top, bottom, or set. You could do 8 top, 8 bottom, 10 top, 10 bottom. Here's the back side, and these snap right on the teeth there. There's no silicone mold required. These are just custom fitted, which will fit right on the teeth without any need for silicone mold. These are real Grillz, real silver, handmade for a perfect fit. These are available on our website, blingcartel.com. Check us out, guys. Thank you for watching. As always, y'all have a good one.